Hello guys, so I'm driving from UZUAKOLI road to Cooperative. You can see work is going on here. They are fixing this road. They are, reconstructing or rehabilitating the road. Layer can affair, yes, that's why the sign you are seeing there to block off people from passing there because of the work that is going on there. If this is the first time you are tuning into my channel, you are highly welcome. So it's Cooperative now, Lahachi back to UZUAKOLI road. Now this is just around Cooperative stroke UZUAKOLI road. This road now continue going straight, just straight. Now UZUAKOLI they carry you go direct from Emede Ibeko down UZUAKOLI. You understand? If this is the first time you are tuning into my channel, you are highly welcome. So I just show you what's in the sub for Umuahia, how government take now they just they fix road for Umuahia. You understand? So I told my keke guy, turn back, make I carry them, make I show them the machine where they do the work. Make them confirm say yes, true say work they go on for inside Umuahia town like this. You know, they see a heavy duty machine. Serious work they go on. They reconstruct this road, make it sharp for eye, cause you know come they sharp, but they see I'm not they don't as fast this side. This place now where they drive go, they don't asphalt them, and they go see asphalt them the more. Look for the side of the road, you will see they don't cover the drainage. Before now open drainage they here, but now they cover this drainage. You understand? If this is the first time you are tuning into my channel, you are highly welcome. So now I'm going to drive you guys and show you how the 6-lane road is. You understand? Yes, the 6-lane road that was constructed by the government of Abia State. Now, that you are seeing there is water fountain. That's Okpara Square. And now we are entering the Aguyi Ironsi Boulevard, the 6-lane road in Umuahia, the first of its kind in Umuahia. Please click the subscribe button. If you are a returning viewer, I really appreciate you all for always making a chance to watch my videos. Stay tuned here on my channel as I have more interesting videos, about Abia State, outside Abia State. In fact, Alibo, Southeast, outside Southeast. I have many videos that I'm still about to upload. Tell me what you think about the developments going on in Umuahia. So many roads now. Before, they know they construct street roads for Umuahia like that. Now, so many streets now, they don't they walk the road. I will still drop the video for one. I'm on no RCB. You understand? Watch this video down to the end. Please click the share button as you are watching this video. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching this video up to this extent. Lekwe Abia Tower no new Ryan. This is Abia Tower ahead of me. That's the Abia Tower. See you guys in the next video. Bye for now.